In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a Canva presentation. If you're using Canva to present slides at an event, in a classroom, or on a display screen, having your presentation loop automatically can save you a lot of time and hassle. Instead of manually clicking through or restarting when you reach the end, you can set it up once and let Canva do the work for you. First, open your presentation in Canva just like you normally would. Make sure all your slides are in the correct order and that you're happy with the content, because once it's looping, you'll want everything to look polished. It's also a good idea to quickly run through your slides to check that the text is readable and that any animations or transitions behave the way you expect. Next, look for the Present button in the top right corner of the Canva editor. This is what you usually click when you want to show your slides full screen. Instead of just clicking it straight away, click the small arrow or menu next to it. This opens up a few different presentation options that Canva offers. From here, choose the standard Present mode, not Recording or Presenter view. Once you're in Present mode, move your mouse so the control bar appears, usually at the bottom or top of your screen. This is where you can change how your presentation behaves. Look for the Settings icon or the three dots menu. Click that to open the presentation settings. Inside these settings, you should see an option that says something like autoplay or loop this presentation. Enable that option. When you turn this on, Canva will automatically restart your presentation from the first slide after it reaches the last slide. In some versions, Canva will also let you set how many seconds each slide stays on the screen. If you see that timing control, choose an interval that makes sense for your content. For slides with more text, you might want a longer duration. For simple image slides, a shorter one is usually fine. After you've turned on looping and set your timing, start the presentation again and just let it play. Watch it go all the way through at least once to make sure the pace feels right and that the transition back to the first slide is smooth and seamless. Once everything looks good, you're done. Your Canva presentation will now loop continuously, making it perfect for kiosks, digital signage, background displays at events, or any situation where you want your slides to keep playing on their own without any interruptions.